morning. Today we are going to talk about the letter E. The letter E is a vowel. E is a vowel, a letter in the alphabet. It makes the sound eh, eh, eh. Here we have the short eh syllables. B, S, D, F, J, H, J, K, L, M, N, P. Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And now let's read short CVC words. Bed, bed. Net, net. Ten, 10. Jet, pen, pen. Red, red. Wet, wet. Yet, yet. Hen, leg, leg. Pet, pet. Met. And now let me show you how to write the letter E. We go down straight line and we put 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, like this. The small E, like this. Again, 1 straight line and we put 3 straight line like this. This is capital E and this is a small e. E is a vowel, a letter in the alphabet. It makes the sound eh, eh, eh. Capital E. How to write the capital E? First, we do a vertical line from the top. We go down. This is the vertical line. And then we put 3 horizontal lines. 1, 2, and 3. This is the way how to write capital E. And now let's move to the small e. We start from here, make a line, go around and down like this. This is a small e. Eh. Let's give words or produce words with e, short e. Egg. Egg, بيضة. Elephant. Elephant, feel. Eraser. Eraser, ممحاه. Eye. Eye, عين. Let's write capital E and small e. Start from the dot. Go down. Vertical line. And we make 3 horizontal lines. Like this. And now let's move to the small e from the dot. We make a straight line, go up, round, and down, like this.